we are all here to perform hula hoop. So why hula hoop for this celebration?
Okay, so why hula hoop? Because hula hoop is my passion. Actually, I was working in IT job for 5 years. So I left my IT profession and I am full-time into hula hooping now. I teach hula hooping. So I thought Gudi Padwa is the perfect way to celebrate hula hooping with Gudi Padwa. So that's why hula hooping in Gudi Padwa.
नमस्कार, कृती फाकेत. मला गुढीपाडव्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
तुम्हाला पण.
मला मी यावर्षी लक्ष्मीच्या वाहनमध्ये तुमच्यासमोर हे करते आणि मला वाटते मी दरवर्षी फुलांचं करते काय ना काय नवीन. तर यावर्षी पण मी काहीतरी तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आली आहे. तर आय होप एव्हरीवन लाईक. थँक्यू सो मच.
What's your name?
सुप्रिया आसगा.
नमस्कार. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुढीपाडव्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हॅपी गुढीपाडवा. आय एम इन द मिडल ऑफ गिरगाव. इट्स द एपिसेंटर ऑफ द कल्चरली रिचेस्ट, ट्रेडिशनली रिचेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ Maharashtra. Gudi-Padwa is celebrated not only in Mumbai but in all parts of Maharashtra. But something is very, very special about Girgaon, where all the participants from non-Marathi speaking population, from Marathi speaking population gather here. They are united, they are excited, they speak Marathi, they dress up in Marathi attire. You can see right behind me, these are women, not just Maharashtrian women, but women speaking different languages, wearing Nawari sarees on the bullets, showcasing their glares, adopting modernity yet holding on to the traditions of the land. So this is an epitome of unity in diversity and adopting modernity while taking care and holding on to the traditions and rituals and the true essence of the land where you are born and brought up. So here is a magnificent and picturesque display of culture, traditions, art, feelings, emotions, friendship, unity and everything. This is Girgaon. This is Gudi Padwa Shobha Yatra 2025. Hello, namaskar. First of all, Gudi Padwaच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Happy Gudi Padwa. Thanks to everyone for joining us here right in the epicenter of Girgaon, which is the place which is culturally the most richest, culturally and traditionally richest part of Mumbai. Gudi Padwa is not only celebrated in Mumbai but all other parts of Maharashtra, but is predominantly very picturesque and unique in Mumbai and Pune. This is Girgaon. Girgaon is the place where Gudi Padwa is celebrated the most, and the most unique aspect of Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Girgaon is the Shobha Yatra. Shobha Yatra 2025 is a display of art, magnificent and picturesque display of traditions, cultures. You can see behind me are bullet-born or two-wheeler-born women who are not only Marathi speaking but women speaking all other languages. Languages no bar. Non-Marathi speaking population is also gathered here. Women are wearing Nawari sarees, they are wearing glares, showcasing a rare and unique aspect of women empowerment, where